Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Mortal Kombat game. So let's get started right away. If you have logged into your account on WB Play on the Mortal Kombat game, then you can sign out from your account within the game itself using the settings option. However, if you didn't use your WB Play account to sign in to the Mortal Kombat game, then to log out you will need to use your phone settings. So just go ahead and open up your phone settings first and then tap on Applications. From the Apps menu, scroll down and search for Mortal Kombat, and once you find the game, just tap on it. Now from the game page, first of all tap on Force Stop at the bottom right corner to stop the game and tap on OK to confirm the stop. After stopping the application, go ahead and tap on Storage and then tap on Clear Cache first in order to clear your application cache. After clearing your cache, simply tap on the Clear Data button at the left side and then tap on the Delete button, and this will delete all of your user data that is associated with the Mortal Kombat game. After clearing your data, you can go ahead and open up the game, and you will now notice that your login information has all been removed. And now you will need to log into your game once again as you have been logged out. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on Mortal Kombat game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.